Question are given. Question is that a square minus b is equal to 30. B square minus a is equal to 30. What is the value of a and what is the value of b? Let us start solving. Here this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. After next step, see here. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let us start solution. From equation 1 minus equation number 2. After next step, see here equation number 1 telling that a square minus b square minus a is equal to 30 minus 30. See here 30 cancel, left it. A square minus b minus plus minus b square minus plus a is equal to 0. After next step, see here a square minus b square plus a minus b is equal to 0. After next step, see here we know that x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y. This formula apply in this place. See here next step, a minus b into a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 0. Take common, a minus b into a plus b plus 1 bracket close is equal to 0. Here 2, a minus b is equal to 0, first equation. Second equation, a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. See here a is equal to b. This minus become this side positive. Therefore a is equal to b. This is equation number 3. After next step, see here a is equal to minus b minus 1. This whole come this side. Minus b minus 1. This is equation number 4. After next step, see here recall equation number 1. See here equation number 1 telling that a square minus b is equal to 30. Therefore b square minus b is equal to 30. See from equation number 3. Equation number 3 telling that a is equal to b. So b square is equal to b is equal to 30. Therefore b square minus b, this 30 come this side, minus 30 is equal to 0. See here b square minus 66 plus 5b minus 30 is equal to 0. After next step, see here take common, b bracket open, b minus 6 bracket close plus 5 bracket open, b minus 6 bracket close is equal to 0. See here b minus 6 into b plus 5 bracket close is equal to 0. Here b minus 6 is equal to 0. B plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore b is equal to 6. Here b is equal to minus 5. After next step, see here recall equation number 3. Equation number 3 telling that a is equal to b. Therefore so a is equal to 6, a is equal to minus 5. A is equal to 6, a is equal to minus 5. Therefore a comma b is equal to bracket open 6 comma 6 bracket close bracket open minus 5. Recall equation number 1 and equation number 4. Equation number 1 telling that a square minus b is equal to 30. Therefore, equation number 4 telling that a is equal to minus b minus 1. Therefore, in place of a square, put this value. See here, minus b minus 1 whole square minus b is equal to 30. Therefore, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. After next step, see here, minus b square minus 2 into minus b into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 30. See here, b square plus 2b plus 1 is equal to 30. Therefore, b square plus 2b plus 1 minus 30 is equal to 0. See here, b square plus 2b minus 29 is equal to 0. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 29. After next step, see a quadratic equation apply. We know that quadratic equation formula is that b is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After next step, see here, b is equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 29 divided by 2 into 1. After next step, see here, b is equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 1 plus 116 divided by 2. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 9 into 13 divided by 2. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 root 13 divided by 2. Here two equations arise. B is equal to minus 1 plus 3 root 13 divided by 2. Second, b is equal to minus 1 minus 3 root under 13 divided by 2. And b is equal to minus 1 minus 3 root under 13 divided by 2. And b is equal to minus 1 minus 3 root under 13 divided by 2. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.